Wake up, dear. Wake up slowly. I am awake now. I feel sleepy.
Good morning, brother. Wake up, wake up.
Today is your first school day. First day, I feel nervous, very nervous. Me too, I feel nervous too. It is okay, dear. Do not worry.
Will school be scary or nice? I want it to be nice, very nice.
It will be very nice, I promise. Come, wash your face slowly now.
Okay, Mom, I will go now. I will come too. Wait for me.
All right, follow your brother.
The water is cold, very cold.
Yes, very cold. I feel awake now.
Brush your teeth well. Slowly, please.
Yes, Dad. Me too. Brushing slowly and carefully.
Here are your uniforms, clean and nice.
Wow, I like this dress very much.
My shirt looks good, very good.
I can't wait to wear it. Me too.
Look at me. I look different today.
Yes, you look like a student now.
Sit down. Eat breakfast slowly now.
I am not very hungry, just little. Eat a little. You need energy today. Okay, I will eat slowly now.
Eat slowly, children. Take small bites now.
I try to eat, but I feel nervous.
It is okay, eat little, not too much.
I eat slowly. I feel better now.
Drink your milk slowly, it is good. Milk is warm, I drink slowly now. My milk is warm too, very nice.
Finish your food now. Time is going.
Okay, Dad, I finish quickly now. I finished too, almost done now. Check your bags now. Books inside?
Yes, books are inside. I check again.
I have pencils and my eraser too.
My bag feels heavy, very heavy today.
Mine is heavy too. We carry together.
Stand still. I fix your collar.
Okay, Mom, I stand still now.
My dress is ready. I am ready.
All done, you both look wonderful.
Thank you, Mom. Let's go.
Time to leave now. Let us go. I feel a little scared, but I go.
I come with you. Do not worry. I am here. We go together. I hold your hand. I feel safe. Yes, dear, I am with you. We walk together, step by step.
The road is busy. Many cars here.
Stay close. Walk carefully now.
I stay close. I walk slowly.
I see the school. It is very big.
Yes, very big and many children.
This is your school, your new place.
Be brave now. You can do it. I feel scared again. My heart is fast.
It is okay, dear. Take slow breath.
I feel same, little scared too.
You are strong. Both of you strong.
Look around. Many children like you. Yes, they also look quiet and nervous. We are not alone, many new students.
Go inside slowly, step by step.
Okay, I go slowly, step by step.
I walk with you. Do not worry.
That's right. You're doing great.
They look small, but they are strong.
Yes. They will learn and grow.
This place is big, very big inside.
Yes, many rooms and many students. Hello, children. Welcome to class. Hello, we are new students.
Hello, teacher. We feel a little shy.
Come inside, sit on your seats. Okay, I walk slowly inside now.
I sit near you. I feel better.
Relax now. Take a deep breath. I breathe slowly. I feel calm now.
Me too. I feel better now.
All right, class, let's look at these equations. Is 2 equal to 3?
No, it's not.
Exactly. Good job. Now, what about 5 plus 9?
14.
Very good, children. You are doing well.
I feel happy now. Not so scared.
Yes, school feels nice now.
I'm so glad to hear that. Look here. This is letter A.
Letter A, I see it now. I say it slowly.
Say A slowly. Repeat after me.
A, I say it slowly.
A, yes, I say it too. Very good, everyone. Good morning, class. It's reading time. Today, we'll read a story about friendship. I love stories about friends. Wonderful. Let's begin. Yay! I write A slowly and carefully.
Me too, I write A slowly.
Very good. Write slowly and neatly.
I try neat. I write carefully.
My writing is better now. I try again.
Time for a short break now. Break time. I feel happy now.
Yes, time to relax a little.
Look, playground is big and nice.
Yes, many children are playing here.
I want to play, but I feel shy.
We can try, step by step slowly.
Okay, I'll try.
You can do it.
Playing is fun. I feel very happy. Yes, I am not scared now. We play together. We are friends now.
Me too, I feel calm and good.
I feel happy, very happy now.
See, school is nice and fun. Before, I was very scared.
Yes, me too, very scared before.
Now, I feel strong, little strong. Learning is easy, step by step. Step by step, I understand slowly.
Yes, slow learning feels good.
Exactly. Take your time.
I write slowly. I feel confident now.
Me too. My hand is steady now.
Very good. You are learning well. Thank you. I feel proud now. Yes, I feel proud too.
Oh no, my pencil fell down.
Do not worry. We will find it. Is this your pencil? I found it.
Yes, thank you so much.
You are very kind. Thank you.
Problem is small, but I feel big worry.
Yes, but now everything is okay.
Today is a good day. Very good. Yes, today is good. I am happy. School feels nice now. I like it. Time to go home now. Good job today. I feel happy. I learn new things.
Yes, today was good, very good.
I pack my bag slowly and neatly.
Me too, everything goes inside.
Goodbye, children. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, teacher. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Thank you for today.
Today was long, but very nice.
Yes, I enjoyed the whole day.
Welcome back, my children. How was school?
School was good. I feel very happy. Yes, we learned and played today.
That is wonderful. I am proud.
I was scared before, but not now.
Yes, now I feel strong and happy. You both did very well today.
Home feels nice, calm and safe.
Yes, I feel relaxed now.
Tell me everything. What did you learn?
We learned A and made new friends.
Yes, school is fun and nice.
Hey kids, how was school?
It was great, Dad.
Wonderful. How about some ice cream later?
Yes, chocolate.
You got it.
Love you, Dad.
Tomorrow, I go to school again.
Yes, tomorrow will be a good day.
Please like this video. Subscribe for more videos.
Please share with your friends. Comment your name. Thanks for watching.